Come in.
Would this be the
Is that my camera?
Yes.
Oh. Hi.
Would this be the Kenway crib?
It is. My name's Kenway. I make shitty YouTube videos for an audience of about 2. Come in. Why don't you? Oh, hang on. I need to do my mute now. So every time I start a video, it seems like I do something to the chair. So. Fuck. For a while, I've been wanting to do a setup tour. I don't have much, and I don't really like to show off. Maybe a little bit. But I've wanted to do a setup tour for a while. I love watching them, and I wanted to do my own. For a while, I've just never had a proper setup. I still don't. But this is where I do my shit.
So much
shit.
So much excitement.
Yeah.
No way, you got a diamond play button?
Why is it so dark?
I don't know. It's so real, like.
Yeah.
Looks so professional.
It's almost like I made it out of wood. I don't know where to start. This is, I'm not a big channel, but you know, high hopes. I got this and I thought, you know what? That's an achievement. I got to 100. So I wanted to put it up and you know, it's kind of like sucking my own. This is my beach. This is my serene place that I like to go to. I think and I dream and I look up at the beach and I'm like, I'm never gonna afford to live there because I make like $1,000 a year.
That's the realest thing ever. Closest thing to a beach you'll get is your ex. Cause she's a beach. Okay, one of the things that I'm really proud of in this room is my lights. I've set up a couple of them. I have this desk strip, and I have the one in the little lamp there. And I have this one up here, which this one is actually my favorite because, see, when I shoot my videos, I usually have the camera, if I can borrow for a second, I usually have the camera set up in this corner and I use... a minute now. Hello.
I set up my camera in the corner there and I use the natural light, you know, for my videos and it works really well. Sometimes I shoot my videos...
You're just blackface right now because there's...
But no.
You could.
Okay, sometimes I like to shoot my videos at night because it's quiet and you know I love to bless my neighbors with the sounds of me going 5 things that piss me off. But yeah, anyway, I like to shoot at night sometimes, so these lights really, you know what, I'm just gonna show you. I will try and simulate the darkness. This is the darkness. Hello darkness, my old friend. So when I shoot, I set up this setting on my Hue app and I go to daylight. And so now, it's just that one and it reflects off the ceiling and it sort of looks like natural light. So again,
holy shit.
When I shoot in the corner, you can't really tell a difference. Amazing cable management. I have bricks and bricks. Cable management on many points of beautification, perfection.
Perfection.
Cable management's so good it'll make you jizz in your pants! Woo! I think I'd like to say that this desk and what this is called.
Me again.
Yeah, what this is called, I got from work. I ain't paid nothing. So, I'm a Jew. Wait, can I say that on YouTube? Or does it break the guidelines now?
I mean, it's 2018.
I'll say it again, but I'll beep it out. I'm a Jew. Beep.
No, can I be the beep sound?
I'm a
beep.
Okay. So anyway, continuing on. This little desk
I got nothing for it except for a couple books because it makes me look intelligent.
How many of those have you actually read is my question.
One book I read was this guy's book. Yeah.
Shane, please
Contact me if you want to collab. I like a lot of fake plants, as you can tell. Come closer. I like plants. I can't keep real ones alive, so I have these fake ones.
fake it till you make it.
I can hardly keep myself alive. I hardly buy groceries. I can't keep myself alive, so this is perfect. I have this little plant here with a rose, and it kisses me. Kiss from a rose.
Yeah, I get it.
I seal.
Oh, now we both did it.
Hey Google, make the office lights daylight.
Okay, changing the...
I call this one Mr. Plant.
That's original.
We have tings, many messes.
I can tell that you shop at very expensive stores.
This is my tripod that I use. Look, I got this one for $15 from Kmart. I have my tripod up here and the camera that is shooting this there, so it goes there and it's beautiful. I got this red little mini surfboard from the Gold Coast. I don't know if I showed it in the Gold Coast Paradise pages. What was it called? The Surfers Paradise pages. Yeah, I don't think I showed it in that. I have these inspiring messages here. If you want to like just do it like a zoomie on. That's a zoomie. This one is my favorite. That's 100% my favorite.
No matter how you feel, get up,
and this one.
dress up, show up.
You can show this one now.
Give up.
You can show that one. That's the.
Oh, shut up.
You gotta shoot another little like vlog of your own, won't you?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. I don't know what else to show in this room. I wanna show you my bedroom actually. You know what?
Aaron, I am your biggest fan.
I know. We came out of the same vagina.
That's hot.
You just following my footsteps from the beginning.
You get it. Except I'm social.
And I'm social media.
Oi!
Wait.
Guys all hot. Never hot.
Okay, come to the bedroom. Wait. This is my little entertainment of areas. I have placed shut up! I have another fake plant. I call this one Mrs. Plant. But they're divorced because they're in the different rooms.
Oh.
Like my parents.
Oh.
Anyway, come on. Shut up, phone. This is my bedroom.
Oh no, restriction.
This is where the magic happens. The magic of
My lord. You gonna put that in the video?
Yeah.
Hey, another plant. Oh look. You're so fucking weird, aren't you? So many fucking plants, mate.
I have fake plants because I like to be reminded that things can look alive while not actually being alive, and that's me. So, this little light in the corner, I got that from Kmart for $10, but the light was like 90, so budgeting. I have a TV in my room, which I use for watching, because, come on, everyone watches. We can't just excuse the fact. We can't just act like no one watches, okay? It happens. We watch people It's like Animal Planet for humans.
It's the realest thing ever. Hello, Dr. Phil.
I like to sleep with this at the head of my bed when I'm not getting head in bed.
Oh no, stop. Yeah.
I don't know which YouTuber I copied this from, but before I go to sleep and I'm laying in bed, I like to look up and I see that.
$1. When I bought my Nintendo Switch, it came with Zelda, and it was a mad game. You thought this was glass? It's plastic. That's what you get when you go to Kmart. It's plastic.
You got me.
This didn't really turn out like a setup tour, did it?
I just think what matters is you tried, and
Yeah.
maybe next time it'll be a bit better.
I'll try another setup tour next time. This is the point where I should say like and subscribe. If